Before we get started, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos from me. SM Entertainment is all set to debut a 4-member girl group called aespa, their first in 6 years. Something's fishy though. The group, consisting of members Karina, Giselle, Winter and Ning Ning, was already set to debut in 2020, but the sudden announcement seems a bit rushed. Of course, this falls into SM's perpetual behavior of not dealing with controversies head-on and instead shadowing them with something else. This also happened back in 2014 with, you guessed it right, Red Velvet. Red Velvet's sort of sudden debut happiness came right in the midst of Chris's departure from SM. Chris, being EXO's former Chinese member, who filed a lawsuit against SM Entertainment citing reasons like unfair profit distribution, disregarding his health, and treating him like a product rather than a person. Red Velvet's whole debut process seemed rushed, with a short time for teasers and promotional cycle. And it's happening all over again. Red Velvet's Irene's attitude issue recently came to light, which I also made a video on, link is in the description. And SM decided to quickly cover it up with the debut of aespa. Of course, fans are also scared that now SM is going to focus far more on the new group, and Red Velvet may not have as many promotions or comebacks. Here's where the main issue lies though. The members of aespa will also be accompanied by digital avatars of themselves. There are a few problems with that. The digital avatars, which are referred to the AE version of the members, resemble video game characters. Many fans have shown concern, saying that the avatars have been created with an unrealistic body image. After a picture was shared of member Winter and AE Winter, a Twitter user pointed out the difference in the two, as seen in the waist, plus the dress length, plus the more revealing top, plus the impossible perfect body shape. AE Winter is just supposed to be a virtual version of Winter. However, the unbelievably unrealistic body image doesn't look right. Then, a K-pop idol trainer posted a YouTube video where he pointed out how when idols and AI virtual characters are combined into one, another issue occurs. If you look up the League of Legends virtual girl group KDA, you will find a lot of explicit imagery and video of them. These characters, however, are purely fictional. The girls in aespa are not, and they will most definitely be subjected to this. He also pointed out, idols are also humans, and they have feelings. Imagine a character that was inspired by me was being used all over the internet for secondary creations. Do you think aespa members who are younger than 20 years old on average will be able to endure this? I'm sure SM knows about this. But the fact that they are still going with this concept just proves that they don't see idols as humans but just a way to earn money. This is not where it ends though. SM takes it up a notch by announcing that fans will be able to interact with the digital avatars. Lee Soo-man, the founder of SM Entertainment, attended a forum where he announced this.
중에서도 AI 기술의 발달로 개개인에게 특화된 아바타들이 탄생해서 우리의 라이프 스타일에 스며들고 우리와 그 아바타가 삶을 같이 함께하게 될 것입니다. 살아있는 사람처럼, 마치 나의 친구처럼. 그래서 결국 내가 좋아하는 셀러브리티의 아바타가 내 옆에 만들어져서 같이 있다고 생각해보면 그 아바타는 셀러브리티가 나와 직접 할 수 없는 일들.
SM is also in the midst of working on a new building, where the top floors of the building will be used as a 25-room boutique virtual reality hotel, themed to give fans the experience of staying in the same space as their favorite idols. This level of pandering will further amplify the ridiculous idea of an idol's entire existence belonging to fans. I honestly just feel bad for the girls. The rushed debut, the virtual existence, the amount of hate they're already receiving. These girls must have worked so hard and waited so long to debut, and SM decided to spring them up out of the blue just to cover up something else. Well, that's all I have for you today. Make sure you hit that like button, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on my videos. Thanks for watching.